Hello everyone. Today I will talk to you how to repair this cement floor. In this video I will show you step by step how can easily you can fix this your cement floor. I am showing this which floor I will going to repair. I am using this sand mix to fix this floor. First of all, I have to clean this whole area. Make sure there is no sand, concrete remains on the floor. In order to clean this, I am going to use this vacuum cleaner to make sure this properly clean. I am now using this vacuum cleaner to clean this floor. After that, I am putting this some little water. Just make sure this when we use this cement, it will bonding very strongly. Now I am showing this how can you mixing this your sand and cement. When mixture is ready, just put this all mixture on the floor, but make sure this is properly smooth and floor should be even. You can see this, and that's it. Now I am showing this whatever I done by using this mixture. After one day later, make sure put this some water on the floor. It will be strong your floor. That's it. Thank you so much.